Jonathan,
What's up?
what's going on, buddy?
Not much.
How you feeling?
Pretty good.
What are we doing here today?
Jumping out of a plane.
Yes, we are, man. You excited?
Yeah, I'm a little nervous.
Just a little bit?
A little bit.
Do you realize how high we're going?
I think I'll be more nervous once I'm up there.
Oh, absolutely, dude. When you're up in the heat of the moment, in the plane, ready to jump out, when we're like 2.5 miles up, 12,500 feet, we're about to jump out. We're gonna fall for about a minute at 120 miles an hour. You ready to do it?
I think so.
Any last words before we hop on the plane?
Thanks, Mom.
Yeah, thanks, Mom. Woo! Yeah. All right, buddy. Well, here pretty soon our plane's gonna land. We're gonna head down there. We're gonna load up. Then we're on our way up, all right?
All right, sounds
See
good.
you up there. Woo!
Thank you.
Jonathan! How you doing, buddy? You're doing okay? They are? Probably because you're nervous. It's all right. Just wipe him on his pants. It'll be all right. Yeah, that's what he's there for. How do you feel about this guy? You trust him? Bundy, how you feeling? Did you take your pills this morning? Okay, good. Just wanted to make sure. And if he falls asleep on you, just hit him with your elbow in the ribs. He'll wake up, all right? All right, cool, buddy. Hey, before we jump out of this airplane, I want you to remember one thing, all right? No matter what happens, I'm gonna be okay. All right, buddy. I'll see you outside. Dude,
That's awesome.
nice job, man. How was that?
That's a great feeling.
Yeah? What's your favorite part?
I don't know. Jumping out the free fall.
Nice, dude. I'm glad you had a good time, okay? That's Bundy right there. The focus man right here. We'll catch you next time, all right, man?
Alright, sounds good. Thanks, dude.